Hi, I'm Marceline and I'm in the final year of my Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering degree at the University of Adelaide. I chose this degree because I wasn't actually sure what I wanted to do after high school. I knew I loved maths and physics and a bit of problem solving, but beyond that I was open to suggestion. Mechanical engineering seemed free and flexible enough to let me kind of discover what I wanted to do as I progressed through it. I would highly recommend STEM. It is broad and diverse, and there's a place for everyone in it. Whether you want to help the environment by looking at renewable and sustainable infrastructure or projects, or if you want to help people by looking at biomechanics or drugs or, furthering our understanding of the human body, STEM offers all of that. It is so broad and so diverse and so rewarding.
Hi there, my name's Isabelle and I'm currently in my third year of studying a Bachelor of Mathematical Sciences Advanced along with a Diploma of Languages majoring in French. I think something I didn't realise at all going into uni was just how much stuff you can do at uni that isn't actually like your degree itself. For example, I'm really heavily involved with the Math Society, so we're like a student society that runs events and stuff like that, as well as the Women in STEM Society, which is all about encouraging diversity in STEM. I think something in high school that I just didn't know about uni was how flexible it all is. It's so straightforward to transfer, and it's really worth taking the extra time if that helps you find your passion. So don't stress it, keep breathing, you're going to be absolutely awesome.
Hi, my name is Ellen Watson and I study a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering with a Bachelor of Finance. I think that my number one tip for anybody who's about to join university, thinking about coming to university, is when you're there, just enjoy every moment. Being at university is such a wonderful time in your life. You make so many new friends, have so many different opportunities, you'll make memories. I, for example, went on exchange. I went to Nepal on an Engineers Without Borders trip, and those are lifetime experiences that I will never forget. So really just enjoy every moment, take every opportunity, and I promise you, you will not regret it.
Hi, my name is Ariel and I'm currently in my final year studying a Bachelor of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Engineering. Something I got from my degree that I didn't expect, apart from the technical skills, was a reiteration of my love for learning. So through year 12, the stress of everything and that number at the end became a lot. And it does for a lot of people. And I think when I got to uni, I found that I was able to revitalise my love of learning. STEM is so cool. And STEM is going in some incredible directions right now. And there's definitely a place for you. And there's definitely a place for the things that you want to do and innovate. So come and join us. It'll be so much fun. And yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of your day.